Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to math class. Our previous discussions is about additions and subtractions of fractions. Today we are going to discuss about multiplications and divisions of fractions. Before we start, let's review some terms of fractions. 1. Numerator is the top number of a fractions. 2. Denominator is the bottom number of a fraction. Proper fractions where numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fractions, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Whole number, the set of positive numbers that include 0. Mixed number, a whole number and a proper fractions represented together. Our first discussions is about how to multiply fractions with whole number. Solve this. A third times 6. First, multiply the numerator by the numerator. In this case, 1 times 6, 6. The denominator not change, 3. We've got 6 over 3. We divided by 3 each. 6 divided by 3, 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. The result is 2. Another example, a quarter times 5. Remember, 1 times 5, 5. 4, not change, 4. 5 over 4 is improper fractions. Remember, if the result improper fractions, change into mixed number. 5 over 4, we get 1, left over 1 over 4. Keep the denominator. So the result is 1 a quarter. The second discussions, how to multiply fractions with fractions. 3 eighths times 2 fifths. Multiply the numerator by the numerator. 3 times 2, the result 6. And multiply the denominator by the denominator. 8 times 5, 40. The result not yet simplest form, so we've got to make simplest form. This is proper fractions. We can make it simplest form by reduce divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 3. 40 divided by 2, 20. The result 3/20. Our third discussions, how to multiply mixed number with mixed number. 4 and half times 2 and 3 fifths. First, change both into improper fractions. How? Denominator 2 times 4, the whole number, and then add the numerator. 4 times 2 plus 1, keep the denominator 2, and gives 9 over 2. 2 and 3/5, 5 times 2 plus 3 over 5, we got 13 over 5. Multiply straight across. 9 times 13, 117. 2 times 5, 10. Back into mixed number. 11 left over 7 over 10. After learning about multiplications of fractions, we would easily divide various types of fractions. There are simple steps to divide fractions. First, turn the second fractions upside down. We call it reciprocal. Second, multiply both fractions. Third, don't forget to simplify the fractions if needed. Okay, take a look at some examples. Number 1, 1 over 7 divided by 2. 2 is also 2 over 1. So, turn the second fractions into half. Keep the first fractions 1 over 7. Then multiply tops. 1 times 1, 1. Multiply bottoms. 7 times 2, 14. Let's say we have 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 3. The second fractions we turn into 3 over 2. Keep the first fractions 4 over 9. Take a look at those fractions. To make calculation easier, we can reduce or cancellations by divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. 4 and 2 are divided by 2. 3 and 9 are divided by 3. Okay, multiply the new number. 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. The answer is 2 over 3. The third example, divide mixed number by fractions. 3 and 1 over 7 divided by 2 over 5. The first fractions, mixed number, change into improper fractions. 7 times 3 plus 1, we got 22 over 7. Remember, the second fractions, get the reciprocal, which is 5 over 2. And then cancellation, we divide it by 2, and then multiply the numerator. 11 times 5, 55. 7 times 1, 7. Continue as before by simplifying the answer. We got 7, left over 6, keep the denominator 7. 7 and 6 over 7. The fourth example, dividing mixed numbers. Let's try to find 3½ divided by 1½. First, change the mixed number into improper fractions. 7 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. And then continue multiplying the divider by the reciprocal of the divisor. 7 over 2 times 2 over 3. We got 14 over 6. Change into the simplest form, 2 and 2 over 6. We can get the simplest form again, 2 and 3rd. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to practice your exercises and review what you have learned. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.